Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So, in our last video, we talked about how crucial it is to rank your business in the local market, and how to do is the ultimate solution was GMB, Google My Business. So, as you all know by now that as per local search ranking factors report, there are nearly 150 factors which are impacting your GMB profile's ranking. So, today we will be focusing on most impactful GMB ranking which will help you in getting quick and effective results. So, the first impactful factor is GMB categories. So, basically there are two business categories, primary and secondary. Primary category is crucial for your business as it describes your business as a whole. Next we have a secondary business category which allows you to highlight other products, services and aspects of your business. To update your business category, log into your Google account, open your GMB profile and then just click on Edit Profile. These updates will be reflected in 24 to 72 hours. Second essential factor is business name keywords. Smartly including keywords in your business name is one of the most crucial and influential factors for your rankings. Smartly integrating relevant keyword to your business name can help you drive more traffic to your website and make your profile more visible on GMB. Third most reliable and impactful factor is Google reviews. Reviews are vital for both reputation and rankings, so aim for higher number of positive reviews. Key factors related to the reviews include frequency of the reviews, number of the positive reviews, and third most important, relevancy of reviews to your business. This can boost the possibilities of your business getting the desirable ranks. And now, the last question is, what will you get through this? Well, the benefits are endless. A few of the most popular and celebrated benefits are increased customer visibility, enhanced customer engagement, solid branding through reviews, customer satisfaction, easy updates, and much more. And as we come to the end of this video, I am now sure that you all are ready to get your business found and recognized locally. Wishing you a prosperous and resulting GMB journey. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel as we will be coming up with more detailed videos.